Welcome to this Gentle Flow Pilates class, taking time to breathe deeply, move slowly, and offer a nourishing reset for your body. Hi, my name is Beth, and welcome to Trifecta Pilates. On this channel, you'll find shorter Pilates classes, but for full-length Pilates workouts, strength sessions, and more, make sure that you check out the Trifecta Pilates app. When you're ready, go ahead and join me on your mat, beginning onto your back, bending through your knees. Your arms can be by your side. Taking a deep breath in, long breath out. And as you continue breathing here, notice what can become maybe a little bit heavier on the mat, a little bit more well supported. Maybe it's as you exhale, your shoulders become a little bit wider, and you sense then the back of your shoulders resting heavier. Or exhale, your mid-back relaxes a little bit more. You feel more weight of your middle back onto the mat. Your next exhale, rock the pelvis towards your abdomen, and inhale to return. So this is a very slow motion to rock the pelvis towards you and return. I just encourage you, keep the movement slow today, following the rhythm of your breath. Another time here. Then allow your pelvis to stay neutral. And reach your arms up towards the ceiling. Exhale, let your shoulders become heavier as your palms face in towards one another. Inhale, reaching your shoulders and fingertips up. And exhale, find that heaviness once again. They glide back down. Inhale. Exhale, gliding back down. Keeping your shoulders nice and heavy on the mat. As you open your arms across from the shoulders to a T, you'll let your shoulders through back of arms and hands rest onto the floor. Heel toe your feet in towards one another, so the legs are pressing against one another. Deep breath in to rotate your pelvis and thighs to one side. Nice and gentle here. And exhale, coming back to center. Then switching out your sides. Inhale. And exhale. So really continue to feel your shoulders and arms equally weighted as your thighs rotate over. And really trying not to muscle or effort through this class. So much more gentle than that. One last time. Staying in center with your pelvis this time. Let your head rotate to one side. Rotate, rotate. You might start to feel stretch across the neck or opposite shoulder. Then coming back to center and switch sides. And just keep this slow motion, rotation with your neck. Another time here. Keeping your gaze up towards the ceiling this time. And start sliding your arms forward so they reach towards the toes. Once your arms are all the way on the mat, rotate your palms to face down. Bend one knee in towards you. And it goes up to the ceiling, and you might feel a little stretch and reaching the leg forward. It can just go partway forward if you'd like and bend in once again. And continue with this slow bicycle. If you'd like, the leg can reach further forward, but prioritize the gentleness of this motion where it doesn't feel like there's a lot of effort from your center here. Next time your leg reaches up, flex through your foot and press the leg down with a little bit more strength this time, so your heel reaches all the way down onto the mat. Sliding your leg back in, your foot goes down, and switch sides. Bend your opposite knee in, reaching the leg up and forward. It can be a small forward reach as you go into your bicycle, or reaching it lower. Just ensure that it's not too much work for the abs, and for sure your back is staying really relaxed, not starting to grip or guard. Next time your leg reaches up to the ceiling, flex your foot, a little bit more strength in your leg now. As your leg goes all the way down to the mat, slide your foot once again, reset, and bring yourself to a seated position. You can choose to sit with your feet together, knees open out, or legs in a straighter position. What's most comfortable for you, or what do you want to work on? A little bit more rotation for the legs would be knees opening out. Hands can rest on the thighs or on the mat if your legs are in the straighter position. Inhale. And as you exhale, look down towards the floor and start gliding forward, moving through the spine. Prioritize the movement of the spine. And rolling right back up again. So it's not how much you stretch in this or how far forward you're going or down. Instead, the movement of your back. And then rolling back up. Just taking your time. And one last time here. And staying upright, let your arms lift and just let them float open. So a nice easefulness in the shoulders. As you inhale, rotate to one side. And exhale, center. And switch sides, inhale. And center. And just really sense the rotation from your upper spine. Your head can follow. Staying in center, this time your hands rest onto your legs. You pull gently with your arms to extend your spine, looking and gazing up. And then return. Inhale. And exhale. Another time here. Then just with your head and neck, looking down, rotating one ear towards the shoulder. Notice the sensation in your opposite side of your neck and shoulder. Then rolling back down and switch sides. And take your time to move through this. You might linger a little bit in that ear to shoulder position to stretch a little bit more. One more time each side. Looking down, and then bringing your head back upright, gazing straight ahead. Soften your gaze or close your eyes here. And just take a few deep breaths. Notice how that session was. A little bit of time for yourself. Doesn't always have to be challenging to be beneficial for your body. If your eyes were closed, allow them to open, welcoming the day once again. And if you enjoyed that really gentle Pilates flow, leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. I hope you have a beautiful day and can join me on the mat soon.